Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. In this video, we'll give you an overview of how to program your 892LT and 894LT to your garage door opener with a yellow, red orange, or purple learn button. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. Our remote controls are intended for use with residential door openers manufactured after 1993 that utilize photoelectric sensors. The photoelectric sensors are always located on or near the bottom of the door track. Garage door openers that use dip switches don't meet this requirement and should be replaced with a newer model. Great, let's get your remote control programmed. Start with the garage door closed. Also, make sure there's a light bulb in your garage door opener. When it flashes, that lets you know the programming was successful. The 892LT and 894LT are only compatible with LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman garage door openers that have yellow, red orange, or purple learn buttons. For more information, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com and look at the compatibility chart. The learn button is usually located on the back or side panel of the opener. Locate the side of the opener where the antenna wire hangs down. That's where you'll find the learn button. You may need to open the light lens. If you have a yellow or purple learn button, the antenna wire will match the learn button color, which can save you a trip up the ladder. Some garage door openers come with a control panel that can be used to program your remote control. There are several styles: the multifunction control panel, the motion detecting control panel, the smart control panel with an LCD screen, and a doorbell-style single-button control panel. Follow the steps that apply to your style of control panel, or use your garage door opener to complete the programming. Slide the battery cover off of the remote control. Look for your learn button color on the chart in the instructions. This will tell you how many times to press the button you want to program on your remote control. Our learn button is yellow. Press and hold the program button on the remote control until the LED on the front of the remote turns on. Pick a button to program and press it the number of times that goes with your opener's learn button color. We have a yellow learn button, so we will press the remote control button one time. Now press and release any button other than the one you just pressed. If you have a door control with a learn button, press and release the learn button 2 times. If you have a door control with an LCD screen, press Menu. Press the down arrow until Program is highlighted. Then press the side arrow to select. Press the down arrow until Remote is highlighted. Then press the side arrow to select. If you have a doorbell-style door control, press and hold the light button on the side while pressing and releasing the front button. The light will blink once and then stay on solid. Or quickly press and release the learn button on your garage door opener one time. The LED next to the learn button will turn on. Do not hold the learn button. Holding the learn button will clear all remote controls from the memory on your garage door opener. You have 30 seconds to complete the next steps. Press and hold the remote control button you pressed in the previous step until the garage door opener lights flash and the opener clicks twice. That's it. Test by pressing the programmed button. The garage door will move. Follow these same steps to program the other buttons. For more information, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com.